Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to learn how to make this. This is a medallion. I saw it from a book and thought we'd learn it. So let's start. So you need a paper cut square like this. I'm using double colored paper. Let's start. So first fold this corner to this corner. Unfold, turn it like this and fold this corner to this corner. Unfold and fold this edge to this edge. Unfold and fold this edge to this edge. Unfold, you can keep it like this or turn it, and fold this to the middle. Turn it like this and put this edge to the middle. Flip it like this and put this edge over here, this line. Flip it and do the same thing on the other side. And now we see this over here behind, so we have to pull this out, and then it should form something like this. Do the same thing on the rest of the corners. Yeah, now you should get something like this. Now we have to hold this up, and then we have to open this part and squish it like this. We have to do the same thing for the rest of the corners over here. This and this. Now you should have something like this. Now you should fold this edge to the center over here on each. Do the same thing on this. This you should get, and then we have to open this over here and then push it like this. Do it for both. And then we can see this, right? So we have to fold this behind on these two like this. And now we have to do the same thing for the rest. And now you should have something like this. If you want, you can stick a little circle over here, and if you connect all of these, you will get this hole if you stick 6 of these together. And now you've made your own medallion. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.